Hi, today I want to demo how to delete file and rename the file, move the file to another directory, and also because sometimes we have like a secret file in the Kubernetes. In the secret file, it will save some access key, and we don't want to save in the GitHub. We can use in the gitignore. So the secret file will not upload into the GitHub. So first I want to show how to using the remove in the Git. So first I want to create the file. We can call it delete file practice and right shift into remove practice. First .txt. So we can check using the kit and to see what is inside. And later using the git status. Let me see how it is. Okay, whatever. So we can see the unchecked file in here because we newly created, and then we can git it and then using the git status to double check. Okay, so now my new file move to the stage area. Then I can commit -n add file and will delete later. And also use ls, so we can see the file is under the directory. Then we can just simply remove, and using ls, so the file is removed from the local directory, and we can use the git status to check. So it under the stage area, it will show deleted remove practice 1. We also need to commit git commit -n and remove file and hit enter. So commit. We need to git it first and then root. That is the first way how to remove the file. First we need to remove in the local directory and edit to the staging area. Then using the commit to update the local report. And there is another way to delete the file, and I will create another one. First I will clear and this to see what is on my directory. After that, I will use an echo and put like second delete file practice, and using the right shift to the, maybe we can code remove practice second.txt, and using the cat to see the content inside the file. Then we can use in the git status. Okay, so the file is under the unchecked file area, and we need to use in the git add to put into the stage area. And after that, we need to git commit -n and add file, and we'll delete later and hit enter. So now we can using git status to verify it. Okay, so now the file is moved to the local report, and we can use git remove and type the file name and hit enter. So, and we can use in ls to see, so it will remove from the local directory. However, we can use in the git status to see what's going on. So it still can be found, the file still can be found in stage area. So to delete permanently, we need to using the git commit and -n to commit. So after that, it will not show out and can be found in the stage area. And we can using the git status to verify it. So now under the stage area, it will not be found, and using ls, the local directory cannot find the file. So we remove the file permanently. And after that, I want to demo the renamed file and moving the file. And because in the Ubuntu or Linux, when we renamed by the command line, we're using the same command, mv. So that's why I put the rename and the moving in the same place to introduce it. First, I will do the rename first. So I will echo rename practice and right shift into the rename practice.txt, and using the cat to see the content. Okay, so now we can use the git status to check it. It will be found under the unchecked file. And then we use the git add dot, and it will go to the stage area. After that, we do the same git commit -n and renamed practice. Hit enter. Oh, my my typo. So it's git commit, so that we can using ls to see the file is renamed practice.txt. Then I change the file name, like using a v command, and we can change the name to change name.txt, and using the git status. After that, you will see it will give us, we delete the first renamed practice and create another file. But if we using the it will show, and using the git status, it will show us different, like renamed and renamed practice change to change name.txt. And after that, we still need to git commit and -n and rename the practice. And hit enter. Then we can ls, the file name is be changed, and also it will be changed in the local report. And then I will mention about the directory. So first we need to create another directory under the demo folder, demo directory. I can call it change directory and hit enter. And maybe we can move a file change name into, first I will use the ls to show the directory is created. So you can see here the changing directory, the directory is created. So we can move the file, move this file, changing name.txt, changing name.txt into the change directory, and using ls to verify okay, so the file is changing to another location, and we can use ls changing directory to verify that under the changing directory there is a file called changing name.txt. And then we use the git status to see the status. So still very similar, like when we change the name, it will show the file is deleted and the directory is under the untracked file. Then we need to use the git add dot, hit enter, and using the git status, it is still show us the renamed, and the changing name.txt will move to the changing directories. Then the last step is using git commit -n and changing directory. So now that is how to rename and how to change location in the Git. The last things I want to introduce is ignored. It is very important because sometimes if our GitHub is public, so everyone can see the file. So if we push some credential into the GitHub, like public GitHub, then everyone will know your credential. So we will using the gitignore to avoid this issue. So first, still the same, we will echo, maybe echo some content like access key, and put into the secret, hit enter, and then we're using ls first. We can see we create a secret file, and we can using the cat to see what is inside the secret. So inside our secret there is our access key. Then we need to put the file name into the gitignore file. So when we commit it, it will ignore the secret. So how to do that? We can simply using the echo and put the file we want to ignore to commit. So in here, because my file name is called secret, so I just echo secret and right shift into the gitignore. Let me check my typo. Gitignore and hit enter. And to verify that we created the gitignore, we need to use in ls-a because here is dot. So the gitignore file is created, and we can use in the cat to verify it. Gitignore. So the secret is supposed inside it. So and then we put the secret, the file name, into the gitignore, and we can use git status. So when we using the git status, the unchecked file only has one file. The secret will not under the unchecked file area. And we can using git add dot. And then using git status to verify it, and git commit -n. So I can call it only gitignore will commit, and hit enter, and using so still the same, right? But it will not commit to the local repo. This is what I want to show today. Thank you.